Hi, I'm Steve Matthews from ACOM. Today we're going to demonstrate the Pré Alignment app, which is part of our brand new RT300 reliability tool. RT300 is a new generation of predictive maintenance diagnostic equipment that incorporates multiple technologies into one platform. Today we'll focus on the Pré Alignment app, which uses this Runout probe, an electronic dial indicator connected to the app via Bluetooth. Now, the Pré Alignment app is meant to address many of the things that need to be taken care of before a precision alignment can be done. So here we have the app opened up, and the first step is going to be to do a runout measurement. Now, runout is measured on the coupling and on the shaft in order to identify whether or not we have a bent shaft or potentially a coupling issue. So when I engage the measurement, I rotate the shaft and I get a total runout in 0.144 millimeters. So I know I have some runout in the coupling. I want to move on to the shaft and see what my runout is on the shaft. This will identify if the problem is entirely with the coupling or potentially partially with the shaft. So if all the runouts on the shaft, that would indicate I have a bent shaft. And if all the runout is in the coupling, that would indicate I have a coupling issue. So in this case, it's a little bit of both. What I want to do after I take all the runout measurements is save this to the pre-alignment report. And you'll see more on that at the end of the demonstration. Once my runout check is complete, I'll move on to doing a lift check. Now, a lift check is done to look for excessive clearances, or in a way that the bearing might be loosely mounted to the machine. As I measure the clearance, just putting a little pressure on that shaft to get a little bit of movement here, I would check clearances or lift check on both sides of the machine. Again, I'm going to document the result to my pre-alignment report. Next, of course, one of the most important pre-alignment checks is soft foot. So we'll go into the soft foot app and we'll check each of the feet loosen and tighten the bolt and then move to the next position. So this is going to be done at each foot. Loosen, tighten, check. Loosen, tighten, check. Loosen, tighten, check. So this is a complete soft foot measurement, 1 foot at a time, and measured directly at the feet. So as you can see, I have a minimal amount of soft foot here, and I do want to add this again to my documentation report. Now that I've gotten runout, lift check, and soft foot, there are 2 more applications that I can use for doing other pre-alignment checks, such as pipe stress. And that is a delta, that'll just give me a total change from negative to positive, or a direct measurement on the shaft or on a pipe strain. So as we go into the report, you'll see I can add the individual measurements that I've taken that I want to add to my report. And select a report to add it to, and save my measurement. Now the report can be shared or utilized in a number of different ways. Our alignment report is creating a PDF which can be stored and then downloaded later from the device, or we can email it directly, or we can send the report directly up to our cloud application, which is included with the RT300, the Augmented Mechanics platform. In the cloud application, we can share and look at reporting on machinery conditions of the various 5 applications from the RT300. Thanks again for watching this demonstration of the pre-alignment app in our RT300 reliability tool.